Hello everyone, I just want to give you a short tutorial about how to install Unity to use my Teardown editor. So, for a start, go to the Download Unity webpage, which is unity3d.com/de/getunity download, or just go to Google and enter Unity Hub in here to get the download Unity link, and then click here on Unity Hub Download, which will essentially download a Hub Setup exe, and if you click on it, it will install the Unity Hub, which should look like this when you open it. Not like this, because there are some projects here I did, and you see the Teardown editor is you're alright at the 2019 version of Unity. I will update that later, but if you downloaded Unity Hub, you will have maybe an empty space here, or I don't know if it has a sample game or sample asset here. You can go to installs here and look if you already have a Unity version installed with the hub, and if that's not the case, you go to add, choose which one you want to use. A best case is using the most recent one. Click on next and go add modules to your install. And yes, I would recommend to use the Microsoft Visual Studio Community version, which is quite big, but it's okay to download that. The documentation, if you like, and the other things are not that important. Then go to next and it will install the new version here. So in projects, if you want to see my Teardown editor in projects, then go to my GitHub page, to the Unity Teardown editor. Teardown. Sorry, I'm saying Teardown again. It's Teardown. I was corrected, and it's correct to say Teardown. So go to the Teardown Unity Level Editor page. I will put the links in the description. Then you will get to this page. And here is the download button for the code. Just click it, download zip. Then you will get the entire project in a zip file. Put it somewhere you like, and then go back to the Unity Hub in the projects department here, and then click at add and search it. Search for it, navigate to it, click choose folder, and then it should appear here. And once you click on it, it will take a small while to open up Unity. And if it eventually loads up, you won't see a scene like that. You should see a blank editor like you see here. So if you want to import something in the editor, this is not a tutorial about how to use the editor, it's just to install the editor. But as a quick thing, if you want to see something in here, just click at the importer exporter node on this side. This will open up the inspector view on the right side. And there you have an import path. And the import path should refer to whatever Vox file you want to import here. I here at the Teardown Create Islands box, and if I right click on the top line here, which says Import a Script, it has a drop down menu with Import Magica file. And if I click that, it should freeze a little bit. This is because it's not a background process yet, it's a foreground process. So it's just importing that huge island voxel file, which is a bit big. I will change things in the editor in the future, so it will be faster and more performant. But for now, just wait a second or half a minute, and then you will have the scene. If you don't see this, but you see it all black like this, you probably have the light switched on, but there are no lights in the scene, so it's pretty dark. So switch off the lights. I did it because if you enter, you can always right click here, say make an area light right here, which has a range of sorts, and then you have is it area light? I don't know. And then you click here. No, it was not area light. Make it a point light. point light. That's the thing. And you see it has already been inserted here. It's a bit big, but it has no real lighting, and it's not at the right place. Of course, I messed up. There it is. So, and it has an area light. If I show light, then you see there is a little light in there. This is not a light in Teardown, it's a light in Unity. So don't confuse that. It's just to, if you want to have a little light bulb here to enlighten your scene, but I usually switch it off for performance reasons. It's not the best graphical experience you have here, I know, but to switch it off makes it a lot faster at the moment until I fix the performance issues. So that's it. Go to download Unity, download the Unity app. Go to my GitHub page, download the GitHub repository. Then install it somewhere by unpacking the zip. Open up the Unity hub, look for an installed version of Unity. If not, add it. Then go to the projects, add my project, which you have unpacked somewhere here. Click on it, and the editor will open with an empty space. And then you can choose which file you want to import here, which files you can import more of them, and then enter the path here, right click here, say import Magica file, and then wait for the file to be loaded. Now on how to use the editor, we'll make another tutorial, and it will change a lot because now you have to do all this. You have to download Unity, you have to download the Unity hub and do all this. The future implementation, if there is no official teardown editor until then, is that I will make it executable, a runtime executable, just like a Unity game. So you don't have to download Unity, you don't have to download the Unity hub, you just download the exe file and then start it. And then you will have an editor in the play mode. So all of the surroundings here will be away, and you will have nice little HUD and menus to play things and see things in there. That's the future. That's a long-term plan. For now, that's it. I hope this helps a bit to set up the editor, and I will make a tutorial about how to use it soon. Thank you.